Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, July the 26th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. It's time for the binary. Binary time. Number 4913. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So those two boxes should we know. Okay. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then I need to think now. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Well, and now think. Interesting. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this box should be a 1. Yeah. Then 3. Oh, double 1. Overlooked. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yeah. The 3 ones. 3 O's. 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place a number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. 4. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now we need to compare. But which row or column? Now 10. Here we have also 10. The first row and the fourth row. Oh, 00110011 empty box 0011. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Need to compare again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. We need to compare the columns or the rows. Double O. I think the columns. Okay, 10, 10. So we need a 10, 10 here. If we have the 10, 10. Nope, no 10, 10. So O double 11. Yeah, this second column and the sixth column. The sixth, yeah. 0011110011 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Finish in 6 minutes. Yes, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.